So, what has your boy Cody been up to lately? Well, I'll pop whatever I was doing on the screen. Bam, that. That's what I've been working on for a little while throughout the time I wasn't outside. Had much more time just to work on it. Bit of a wingsuit idea in Minecraft. It's turning out awesome. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. Oh, let's see. What do I want to do? Okay. I'll make it to you straight. Oh, let's see. I really never have anything to talk about. You know, more often than not, I hardly ever feel like talking. Yeah. Let's see. I mean, it has been a while since I've traveled down this part next to the school. It's always been raining, or I've been other places and ripping. It's just been a while. Kind of cool to go back. Look at the huge puddle right there. "57 degrees out?" Is that what it just said on that sign? It doesn't feel that bad. Unless that's what it normally is. I'm not used to it. Or used to it, whatever. I don't know what time it is. Little kids must be getting out. I'll see if I have to work around a crossing guard.
Oh, no. Nope. All right. Come on, come on.
We're gonna go back here for a change. Is my light on? Yeah, it is. Okay. Ripping Christian students are still in school. Oh. I like going on rides just to go wherever, but I like a lot more when I have a destination. So I know, how much I really should work myself, Oh. Should be seeing those clouds. Maybe. Let's see, I'm gonna see if I can cross the street here. Okay, that car goes. And we're good. Through the parking lots. Oh. Let's see. I guess for other things, I've been looking into getting a U-lock. I've been looking at sort of the On Guard series of U-locks. They seem pretty cool. I know I was sort of taking a look at what Bike Blogger has for his U-lock, but I don't know if he still has it, but when I've seen it in one of his videos. So I'm sort of looking at within a pretty reasonable price change for one that's either better than his, or I'll just get his exactly. Who knows how good they'll work if somebody tried to steal the bike, but let's be honest, if somebody wanted to steal the bike and destroy the U-lock, no U-lock is completely safe. So I'm not too worried about that. Something better than you've seen in one of my older vlogs, I think. I use a little, let's see, I can't exactly show you, but you know, a flimsy little, what do you call them? Little lock? It's not U-lock, obviously. Flimsy little thing. Let's see. Yeah, I got those 2 price from. I don't remember what they're called, but it's definitely not going to hold up because somebody would probably just snip it. So yeah, in the market for a U-lock. Give me suggestions if you like. Though, we'll see. I've been researching some. Where do I want to go today? I'm going to go down the bike lane again. Just pick up some speed. I'll wait for this guy. You know, maybe I'm at the time where the little kids will get out. They usually go and walk down this bike lane area. Oh, that person's going straight. Though they were waiting, so I assume they were like waving me on. We get to say hi to everyone. Hello. Water break. You know, I am at the right time. Yeah, I am. We'll wait for these guys.
Your brothers mean I'm not talking to you guys anymore.
Probably we can go, but you know.
I can't, like, want to go, but I can't. Air hug! Air hug! Kaylee, air hug! Air hug. Wait, I'm going back here. That's me now!
You know, that's one thing I don't know. Am I even supposed to wait for those guys? When all the crossing guards are out, it probably is fine if a cyclist went through, right? I've never researched that before. It may be just common courtesy to wait, but you know, it is something. I mean, those kids were walking all in front of me. I thought it was kind of funny. Not one of them seemed to eye the GoPro. At least I didn't see it. Kids are fun. They gave life a little bit of nuance, if that's the right word for it. Okay, good. I don't think I'm supposed to stop really here. I think this is more of like a yield sign area. But it's always good to go and look left, just in case anybody's going to turn right, you know? Tip from your boy, Cody. Even though technically the cars are supposed to be, you know, looking for people like us. Let's see, do I want to take the bike lane today? Actually, I'm going to mix it up. Let's go right. Where this kid's turning. Hi. I'm gonna go see if these little crossing guard people are still at both sides. I always like seeing them. Person might not see me. Okay. Good on her. Yeah, we're gonna go straight through here. It's kind of cool seeing these little kids doing their jobs. I probably could just cut through here. Tell me, guys, can I do that legally? I tell you, if I was aware of the rules of the road, if I knew them as well as I do now, I'd be so happy to be riding around town. That would have probably got me into cycling earlier. I was always riding on the sidewalks. Always in danger of hitting pedestrians, and true story, I did hit someone, plowed right into them. Full speed down the sidewalk. I haven't told anyone this. Don't tell anybody. It's probably fine though. Old stories are old. That was probably like 5 years ago. definitely before I did anything, you know, going, like I now know the rules of the road quite easily, so I could have avoided that crash if I, or not crash, plowing into a human being if I was riding on the road. Fun times, fun times. Ooh, people playing on the roof. Kind of. Playing on the roof, they're working on the roof. Let's go left here. Down to the street light. I wonder what time it is. I've always never brought a watch with me. For at least the past year and a half. Or 2 years and a half. Let's see, we're going to right here. Oh, I'm gonna catch my breath here. Any water left? Oh, just a little bit. That's holding me up until we get home. You know, right over here, the building on my right over here, it used to be a bike shop. Now it's a veterans center. No comment on that, but you know which one I'd rather have. Legs are a little worn out. Yeah. Taking it easy a bit. Okay. Well, thank you guys for coming on this ride.